Hello my friends, today I will teach you how to make a cup of coffee. This is Coffee Mate. I don't drink milk, so I'm going to use Coffee Mate. I'm going to add 2 small teaspoons of 1, 2, make it 3, okay, lovely. Then this is coffee, Nestle. I bought it for £3.49p, very cheap. And this is 100 grams. So I would like to drink strong. So 1.5. Then I love sugar, man. So this is just normal white sugar. I'm gonna add 3 spoons. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then I'm gonna add hot water from the kettle, as you can see. Okay. That's it. Just stir it nicely and gently. As you can see, nice cup of coffee. Cheers. It's too hot. Thank you.